guys, you can see a lot of products, and guess what? This one they just going for the S-Mass, right? Yes, this for my US client. So place your order. You know, if you know that you can do it yourself, why not place your order? You can see our oils, you can see our base cream, you can see our yellow CC lotion, and you can see this one is the oil I told you that is a hot oil that you can get nowhere. Look, we have it in large quantity. Are you getting it? We have all of them in large quantity, and then we have our soap as well. You know, yellow CC soap, Irish lady soap, and we have also our, you know, caramella oil, and a lot. Are you getting it? Arabian whitening oil. We have all of them. So all this one is just going for S-Mass, you know, at the US. This is my US client. My US client owns this. So we still have other ones going to UK, which are the back. So, but I just want to show you guys, it is real. If you know you can produce them and you know you need whitening product, call at us. All right, just call at us. We have very good, nice quantity. If they don't believe me, if it's not working, how would they order as large like this? And this is just the beginning. So all right, place your order wherever you are. Place your order. I'm gonna place an order because price will soon change.